Welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting the series of making a graphing program in Python, and we will eventually include AI and machine learning. First, let's go ahead and set up our environment. So first we need to open the command palette. So I'm going to press Ctrl Shift P, but if you're on MacBook or on macOS, press Command Shift P. So let's go ahead and do that. Ctrl Shift P. And then I already have it typed in here, but once you open the command palette, you must type in Python create environment. So let's go ahead and select that. Now you need to select the virtual environment. So VNV, VENV, virtual environment, or Conda if you use it. So let's go ahead and do quick create because I don't really have that much time. But I already created, you can see that it's created right here. So now after you do that, you must do python-m virtual environment. But if you're on macOS/Linux, you must do python 3-m virtual environment. I'm on Windows, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this command. And by the way, I'm using bash. You might want to use bash because these commands they'll work on bash. It'll work better on bash. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it right here. So now we activated it. So again, we must do Control Shift P or Command Shift P. Control Shift P. Then again, I have it right there. I have select interpreter right here. So let's go ahead and select that. And then let's go ahead and select this one right here, this file path. So now we should be able, like let's see pip. Let's do the main.py file that we have because we don't really need to install any packages. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to configure pip. Switch to this real quick. Alright, so I fixed the issue. What you need to do is copy this right here, and you need to paste it. Paste it right here. So I'm gonna show that. I already have the virtual environment set up, so it's going to show this and that's how you know that your virtual environment is active and running. So now let's go ahead and test. Maybe I know we're gonna need this right here, matplotlb, or however you say it, matplotlb. We're gonna need this. So let's go ahead and do pip. Let's see if pip even works in the first place. So type pip 2 dashes put version. Alright, that's excellent right there. It's excellent, it works. So now I'm gonna press pip matplot. Oh, I forgot to put install. It's okay, it happens, but pip install matplot. install the latest version, and make sure you have the latest version too, because the latest version often has those bugs. So let's go ahead and paste that here and press enter. Now this should work. Now I can hear my fans revving up. Let's try numpy. That one should be easy. So now we're waiting. So now basically what we can do, we can go ahead and start writing our program right here. So now let's do, since we're creating a program that graphs data, let's go ahead and do import map. Oh, I forgot to put this. Python plot, and let's do as plot or PLT. Let's do it as PLT because that'll make it easier. I know we haven't installed this one yet, but now let's go ahead and do import numpy. Oh, why do I keep making these typos? But anyways, import numpy as np. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and make a simple program that graphs data. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna do a scatter plot. Now scatter plots are fun, so let's go ahead and try to do the scatter plot. Now I'm gonna create an array. So let's call this variable watch hours because I want more watch hours on this channel. So watch hours equals, and make sure you put np.array, and when you do this it gets the property of numpy, so make sure you put this in here, and then use the parentheses, then use these brackets right here, and make sure you use the brackets because if you don't, Python won't know that it's a list, and when it's not a list it will think that like you're trying like it, because if you just do it like this, for example, like let's take out the brackets, if you just keep it like this, Python will think that because like this is made for float numbers, which is just a single digit, like single digits like 1 or 2, like single digits like that. So make sure that you put those brackets there, or else it will cause a syntax error, and we don't like syntax errors. So let's just make up some numbers, and you can name this whatever you want, by the way, but let's do my first goal, maybe at least 6 watch hours. 6. I'm not gonna type 7, and let's try to get rid of that in 2026. But anyways, 6, 9, 15, 22, 54, 77, 88, 106. I'm just putting random values here. You can put whatever you want. 122, 134, 105, and then let's do an outlier, maybe 1,000, like that much, maybe that. Then after that, let's do negative 900. So that's what I have for watch underscore hours, that variable right there. So now let's do maybe trying to come up with a variable name. Maybe we'll just name this something basic like x equals np.array. Please make sure to type it like this again so it knows. np.array. Then let's do the parentheses. Maybe we'll start. I'm gonna start from 99, then 76. Then I'm just going to be kind of going down for a little. Then 54. Then 42. Well, 43 is fine too. Then 101. And then let's do 24. And then let's do I'm gonna pick the number 1.6. I think 1.6 is kind of interesting. Now let's do 77, 88, 90, 98, 170. I think this is pretty good. But now what we want to do is we want to do plot dot scatter. Now you see when you put scatter here, that's when Mathplot or Matplot library, that's when it knows to plot it as a library graph. If you don't put that there, it might cause, well, it will cause a syntax error because it doesn't know which type of graph you are using. So now let's go ahead and put our variables in there. So I'm gonna put this variable here first, watch hours, and then x. Well, I might change that to x1, alright. And I don't have a server for graphing right now, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do plot dot type layout and plot dot save fig, which saves the figure to your hard drive. Now plot.show, that also works. However, we don't have a server for Python, so it's not going to work. So let's go ahead and delete that right here. And now we can go ahead and run this. But before we do that, we have to make sure to install this. just had to make sure because I know I had issues with this before, so I was just double checking. So let's go ahead and copy this. Now let's do pip install Control-V. Yeah, I knew this would happen. So now I'm just going to use this command right here. Let me paste it so you guys can see it. But here it is, right here. Let's go ahead and copy it. Then paste it right here. Make sure you use this too. Now we're just waiting for it to install. It's going to take a while. Alright, so now let's see what it's going to say. Okay, now the error is gone because we installed it. So now let's go ahead and just to make sure again, Python version 3.12.6, perfect. Then pip version. Then yes, this is absolutely beautiful and splendid and stunning. So now let's go ahead and do Python main.py. And go ahead and close this so it won't be so messy. And let's go ahead and press enter. Oh, alright. So they must be the same length. That's what we need to make sure to do next time. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this needs to be 13. Well, 13 numbers long. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's add 2 more random values. Maybe 200 and then 300. I'm also going to print this too, so it can show up in the console log. Print watch hours, and then print x1. Now let me show you guys something that you don't want to do, or else this will cause a syntax error. So like in main.python, we had print watch hours. That's the variable that we had right here. So if we want to, like, let's say like we want to like add text with this, you should not do this. You should not do watch hours plus. You should not do that. Here are 2 correct ways to do that if you want it to be both text and both numbers. So you either do this, instead of the plus sign you use the comma to do that, or you can do this plus string watch hours. This is how it's supposed to be if you want it to be both text and a variable that's consisted of numerical variables. So let's go ahead and copy that, and let's go ahead and paste that right here. And then Let's try this again. Alright, so I had to do some debugging, but it works now. So let's go ahead and run it. So what I basically fixed was that I didn't have a name here, and I didn't put pods.show. So make sure you're wary of these little mistakes because it can definitely impact how your program runs. So let's go ahead and run it. Python main.py, and it also saves it right here. So now you have your own working Python program that can graph stuff. So of course you can change these values if you don't want it to be like this, but now we know that it works, which is a really good thing. We can even see the output right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's close that out. So now this episode is completely finished, and I'm going to be posting another one next week. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and please subscribe and smash that subscribe button. So have a nice day, guys, and also please remember, just please remember not to concatenate your strings, or either do it this way or this way. Anyways, bye guys.